Right, while we're waiting for that to fill up, I've got 2 hose pipes filling it up now. Oh, my extension lead bust one of pipes, so I've had to rob. Really, I've had to strip this down. That's got my pipe on it, whatever. And so we've got 2 hoses filling it up because water pressure's a bit low. Let's fetch me this down. This is pretty cool. In case I got stuck with Von, so he's decided to fetch this down so it'll pull it. But yeah, this is that job we were on. This wall goes all the way. I'll show you. There's all that to do. There's a cartload of new stone down there that wants cleaning up. It's got some algae on it. I don't know if this camera's picking it up any good. So as you can see, pure filth. Steam cleaner's got it off, but it's left a few of these black spots on. So this is what this soft wash is going to do. It's just going to pull them out, get it time to work. So this is that pad again. Look at this. Right. This is what we did yesterday. Oh, not yesterday, Saturday. It's Monday today. So from about, I don't know, from about here-ish, somewhere up to there so far. This is what we did. Well, what I did Saturday. Just touching a few bits in. There might be a few bits, but look how clean that's come up. Soft washing. Way forward. He weren't too fussed all these steps. He says he's not keeping it. He's going to change stone. Not happy with this one, I don't think. But cleaned it up anyway. All we got here. There's a little touching in that. Oh crap, you've gone off. There's a little touching in this bottom corner somewhere. It's fairly black on here. Oh, there's a couple of touchings in actually. Two areas. That's no problem. Look at this. There it is. Mega. Them's them walls we did over there. So it's fared down this job. First day we did all the way around front of the house. I keep saying we, it's me. So this is this. You've seen this bit anyway on that other video. This is where we got to. I couldn't reach because it was, but got more holes than that now, so that's that. That wall we did first day, so we did both sides there. This wall goes all the way around up there and back up and then that way. Same again, both sides of that little stumpy wall, about 4 or 5 course. I don't know if I can see it, I can't see it on this screen. Oops, I don't know what I've done there. Follows it round, all the way around back of that pad. But yeah, just need that steam cleaner to fill up with water. She was in 21 litres a minute, I think it is. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I've since found out he's a film producer as well. He's actually produced, is it Queen Victoria, that programme on telly? He produced that. He's done a few others and all what I was mentioning, but I don't pay much attention. I'm more concerned about my machine, making sure I've got plenty of water. Look at that. Let's look at that for a pad. I know I keep saying it, but it's immense. Beautiful. I've not got much left to do. Oh, that seems to have worked its magic up to now. A couple of little areas we could probably push in. On along that bottom, a bit more juice on there. Sauce could probably do with being a bit hotter, but can't work with what we've got. Yeah, I'm hoping to get from, where are we? Oh, the screen's gone off again. Anyway, I'm hoping to get from that bit all the way around and do that area up there today. So I'll set y'all guys back up in a minute.